USD JPY. I literally called this trade yesterday with our copy and paste signals at 8:11 a.m. Look at it here, guys. Risk to reward 1 to 1. And not too long after, by 11:22 a.m., I mentioned secure 30 pips profits. This is just a screenshot to show you exactly the outcome here. And this is also just to inform you that the probability in terms of the setups, this is what some of the confirmations we look for when we're trying to publish trade ideas. So it's high probability setups we look for. Keeping that in mind. I just showed you the chart here, what happened this morning. It actually went and hit that take profit level of literally that 50 pips target area. So I train on the base and quote. If you guys interested, literally in day 2 and 3, we talk about the bank holidays, the news, how it affects the market, volatility on the currency pairs as well. So guys, it's only 500 TT to cover the 6 days with my crash course, I should say. And you're coming in here, you're gonna get a lot of knowledge because what took me 5 years to learn, I basically distributing that within 6 days. So you just have to have a notepad and a pen to take down information and apply it after, guys. So most of my past students as well, they will tell you how my training is. If you want to see the student reviews and stuff, you could always reach out to me directly. And I'm looking to start a new cycle um very soon. So if you're interested, and remember this is an option here, you could get involved trading at your own convenience. You're working on the day, you come home, you relax, you can go into a session and place a trade at your own convenience. So the whole idea is to really get you knowledgeable about the opportunity and getting involved trading the financial markets.